My name is Karlygash Kussainova and I'm from Kazakhstan, Astana. I like the cultural diversity of this university because there are people from really different countries and regions. You start to look at things from different ways. For example, if I think that this is bad, someone thinks that it is good, and while we are debating, we can learn something new. I think that the policy of pluralism is what is necessary for Central Asian countries, because most of the students, they just move away from our countries, from Central Asia, and they go to the developed countries, and that's why it slows down the development of our countries. That's why I think that this is what was necessary for Central Asia. I always wanted to be an economist. The education of this university is satisfied with worldwide standards, and everything is in English, which is really good. I'm going to come back to Kazakhstan and open something new and help my country to be developed.